Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class for grade 5. A new chapter. What is the chapter name? Parts and wholes. Part 1. Today we are going to discuss about fractions. What is called fractions? Fraction as parts of a whole. Fractions as parts of a whole. Equal parts of the whole are called fractions. Halves, thirds and quarters. When we divide something into two equal parts, each part is called 1/2 of this whole. It is written as 1/2. When we divide something into three equal parts, each part is called 1/3 of a whole. It is written as 1/3. And the next one, when we divide something into four equal parts, each part is called 1/4 of the whole. It is written as 1/4. 1/4 is also called a quarter. Here 1/2, 1/3 and 1/4 are fractions. Next one is 3/4 fraction. 3 parts out of 4 equal parts are shaded. 3 parts out of 4 equal parts are shaded. The shaded parts is 3/4 and it written as 3/4. And the next one, 2/3. 2 parts out of 3 equal parts are shaded. 2 parts and out of 3 equal parts are shaded. The shaded part is 2/3 and is written as 2/3. Next one, how to write a fraction. A fraction is written in the form of numerator divided by denominator. Numerator is the number of parts and denominator is the total number of equal parts in all. See the example, children. What fraction of the figure shown below is colored in yellow? What fraction of the figure is colored in green? See the figure. How many parts they colored in yellow? 1, 2. So write 2 in the numerator. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts. So write 6 in the denominator. That is 2/6. What is that? Fraction of the parts colored in yellow is 2/6. And then number of parts colored in green? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 in the numerator. And the total number of equal parts 6 in the denominator. Fraction of parts colored in green, that is 4/6. And then look at next one. Write the fraction of the following. How many equal parts they divided in the shape? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 equal parts. So write in the denominator. So what is first one? They ask dotted part. Count the dotted part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 write in the numerator. What is that? 6/18. The dotted part of the fraction is 6/18. Then find the next one. Black part. Number of equal parts into which the whole is divided? 18. So 18 in the denominator. And then count the number of dotted parts. Number of black parts. 1, 2, 3. 3/18. So that is the fraction 3/18. And the next one, gray part. Number of gray parts, count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/18. And the next one, part that is neither dotted nor colored. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/18. What is the fraction of number of parts that are neither dotted nor colored? 5/18. That is 5/18. The next one, Shade the given part of the line segment. Look at the A sum. 2/5. What is that? 2/5. Two parts of 5 to be shaded. Two parts of 5 to be shaded. 1, 2. Two parts. And then 5/5. How many parts you have to shade? 5. In that numerator, what is given? 5. So 5 parts shade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next one 3/4. How many parts you have to shade? 3. 1, 2, 3. And then how next one? 1/6. So how many parts you have to shade? 1. Okay children. And the next one, fraction as a part of a collection. Fraction as a part of a collection. Color the following fraction as illustrated. Look at that A1. Here how many clouds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 clouds totally. So here what is the fraction it is given? 1/3. What is that? 1/3. So total number of equal parts 3. Divide 3 equal parts. 1, 2 and then 3. So each part, how many clouds? Each part 3 clouds. So what is that? How many parts they shaded in this one part alone? How many parts they shaded? 1. So write 1/3. And the next one, what is the fraction it is given? 1/7. Divide equally 7 equal parts. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 it is given. You have to divide 7 equal parts. So each part, how many apples? 2 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 7. Count each group how many apples? 2 apples. Here the numerator what is given? The number 1. So how many parts you have to shade? 1 part alone. So in this 1 part how many apples? 2 apples. So what is the fraction? 1/7. And the next one 2/5. How many equal parts? The total number of equal parts 5. So here count how many oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So divide 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In that numerator how many parts is there? 2. So how many parts you have to shade? 2 parts. 1, 2. So what is the fraction? 2/5. Okay children, and the next one, draw as illustrated. 1/6, that is 1/6 of 1 dozen bananas. 1 dozen bananas. 1 dozen, how many items? It is 12 items. So see the solution. 1/6 of 1 dozen bananas. So write 1/6 into 12 bananas. Cancel these two terms. 6 and 12. 1 6 are 6. 2 6 are 12. So 1 2 is 2 bananas. So that is 1/6 of 1 dozen bananas is equal to 2 bananas. And the next one, 1/3 of 33 balloons. 1/3 of 33 balloons. That is 1/3 of 33 balloons. 1/3 into 33. Cancel this. 1 3s are 3. 11 3s are 33. So 111 1 into 11 is equal to 11 balloons. That is 1/3 of 33 balloons is equal to 11 balloons. And the next one, 2 halves of 10 apples. 2 halves of 10 apples. See the solution. 2 halves. So write 2 into 1 by 2. And then of 10 apples into 10. Cancel this 2 and then multiply. 1 ones are 1. 1 into 10 is 10 apples. So 2 halves of 10 apples. What is that? Is equal to 10 apples. 2 halves is equal to 1. Okay children, today class is over. I hope you understood this topic. I given the homework in your practice book, page number 26 and 27. We will meet in the next section. Thank you all.